If you work in e-commerce SEO, then a couple of the things that you'll be really familiar with are product snippets and merchant listings. So when I talk about product snippets, we can see I've got an example here from Sports Direct. We can see a star rating, price information, delivery information, and returns information. And then merchant listings can give us example of popular products that we can see here, or even a product knowledge panel. So if I search like for the Logitech MX Master 3S, then we can see that I've got all these stores that I can potentially buy from here. So how do we actually get access to these product snippets and merchant listings? The answer to that is product structured data. We can see that if I'm on the documentation for product structured data, we can see here that product snippets, shopping knowledge panels, and popular products appear, which is exactly what I've just shown you. But the problem is with adding all of this structured data to our e-commerce site is that oftentimes with the thousands and thousands of product URLs that we have, it can be really difficult to get buy-in for that kind of task if it's not automated in some way. And the quick answer to that is to run a proof of concept test. So how do we actually do that? In SEOTesting, we've added a couple of new search appearance test filters that can really help with this. So I've just gone in here and created a single test. You can see I've got an example test name and description. It's just adding an example product page here, the date the change was made, the test period. And then what we really want to keep an eye on is this drop down for advanced settings. And then we've got the search appearance filter here. We can drop this down and we can see that we've got product snippets and merchant listings. So we can create tests for those snippets and we can see whether adding the structured data actually helps us get these product snippets and merchant listings or not. And then obviously if it does help us get those types of listings, then we can show that to our stakeholders and get buy-in for adding product structured data to the rest of our e-commerce site.